For those of you who are desire to get your boyfriend back, for those of you that want you to call him back, you'll be telling me, bring my boyfriend back. I want my boyfriend back, as if I'm the one that took your boyfriend. I am not the one. No. I want to teach you today how to call your boyfriend back. See, don't tell anybody that I told you that I'm the one. No. Don't tell your boyfriend I'm the one that taught you how to bring him back. Okay, don't tell him. Okay, let me teach you. Get a piece of paper. Write your boyfriend name. Write his date of birth on your boyfriend's name. And write your name on the other side of it again. And fold the paper towards you. 1, 2, and 3. Towards you. Begin to enchant what you want to say. And if you want this to be powerful, take your saliva. Put it on it. After putting your saliva on it, take onions. Take onions. Carry your knife. Cut the onions like this. Please don't allow the onions to cut out completely. Okay? Do not allow the onions to cut out completely. Cut the onions open like this. Take that paper. After making your wish, what you want, in that paper, make sure you say, you are bonding us, you are coming back, and we are born forever. We shall get married. Be ready to marry this man. If you do not love him, don't do this ritual. If you know you are going to love somebody's child and leave him at the middle of the river to drown, don't do this ritual because it will backfire on you. Now, what do? You get a needle. You're going to pin this, your intention, and this everything. Make sure everything. Pin it, push it. You're going to push it together. Let it pierce out. Be careful while you are doing this so you don't hurt your hand at the end of the day. Because if your guinea corn touch up, it is finished. Then take it. What do you do with this? Keep it forever or you go and throw it away. But you have to keep it for 7 days underneath your bed or anywhere in your room and sleep with it. After 7 days, Makachuku, Wanyi, okay, carry him, go and throw away. And you will see that your boyfriend running back to you, kitty kata. You will see him coming back and proposing to you. Try this ritual and come here and thank me. Because I am not the one that took your boyfriend. I only gave you the expo on how to bring it back. Please don't have to worry again. Please, a lot of you are always being scammed because you are commenting some kind of negative comment. You are asking, how do I bring my boyfriend back? Bring my boyfriend back. Teach me this one. They will scam you. You are the one that have the power to do this one. I repeat, don't tell anybody that I taught you this. So that is how to do your onions ritual, how to call your boyfriend back, and you will see him marrying you. You will see him proposing. If you do not love somebody's son, don't go and tie somebody's son away. Otherwise, the universe will come for you. I am telling you. See you guys again in my next video. Bye.